Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Siti Rokia binti Ismail, nombor matrik 272143. Today I would like to present about SDG No Poverty. Introduction. Sustainable Development Goal (SDG) is a global agenda that encompasses three main dimensions, namely economic 20%, social 56%, and environmental 24%, which Malaysia wants to achieve in 2030 in line with the goal of the United Nations. One of the goals of the SDG is to eradicate the issue is poverty in all its forms, which a major problem for developing countries. Definition of poverty. Poverty is a serious global issue that all countries may face, and it is the measure of the level of development of the country. Poverty is when people live without basic things they really need, such as food, water, a place to live, or money to buy clothes, education, and health care. Without this, life is really hard. Poverty in Thailand. Globalization is now familiar to most developing countries and countries that are already in poverty and they are also with Thailand. However, the problem of poverty is increasingly worrying because it shows that a country is not concerned about the fate of its people who suffer from living in a cocoon for poverty. One of the factors of the problem in poverty in Thailand is the disproportionate development. In this regard, the critical poverty rate in Thailand emphasis was only given to the industry sector to boost the country economy. This industrialization caused rapid economic growth, but the development of the not widespread made it disproportionate. Inequality between rural and urban areas is also a factor in poverty in Thailand. In this regard, inequality exists in various sectors, and the policies involved in reducing income inequality and poverty in Thailand. There are several policies implemented by the government to reduce the burden of the people as well as to assist the community in facing the growing poverty crisis from year to year. Thailand has also enacted a welfare card system to help low-income people. The Thai government established a registration system to help the country poor by increasing their income through the distribution of welfare card e-payment card. Estimate for 27 predict 12 million Thai will benefit from this program. With the availability of the card, it provides monthly allowance to citizens and aged 80 years and above, earning less than 100,000 baht annually for use in public transport and the purchase necessities such as food and hygiene products. The achievement that Thailand has achieved is that in conclusion, Thailand is the only country in Southeast Asia to have experienced some increase in poverty since 2000. There are several policies implemented by the government to reduce the burden of the people, as well as to assist the community in facing the growing poverty crisis from year to year. This policy is set to reduce poverty to ensure that the SDG are achieved to eradicate poverty. That's also from me. Thank you.